What's up, fishers? Brand here with Dude Fish. In the garage today, I'm going to be upgrading part on my ProNav GPS system attached to my Minn Kota power drive 55-pound thrust trolling motor. I've got this little part in for ProNav. It's just a mount, and what it allows me to do is mount the GPS sensor inside the head instead of on the shaft. So it'll be tucked away in there, out of the weather and out of the way. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, here's my Minn Kota power drive V2 55-pound thrust trolling motor, and right here you can see the GPS unit attached to the shaft. It's just got a little bracket right here. You tighten it down. On the shaft you have to have 6 inches between the collar and the unit itself, but I'm going to be moving it inside the head. That's what this bracket's for. Allows you to do that, and that helps give some more clearance on the shaft. If I want to let the motor down more, I'll have some more clearance. So let's get started, guys, and we'll install it. First thing I'm going to do, guys, is remove the GPS sensor from the shaft. Just held on there with a handheld screw nut. And we'll set that aside for right now. Next, I'm going to remove this cap, top cap. That's all there is in the head, guys. What I got to do is twist these wires together per the instructions. So they want these wires twisted together to eliminate magnetic interference, is what the direction says. So let me get them twisted together. Guys, I got the wires twisted together per the instructions. Now I'm going to unscrew the ProNav GPS sensor. So I got it in the bracket, guys. And put some zip ties on it. Secure it in there. And we're ready to install it. Next, guys, I'm going to remove the cable cover. We'll run the cable through there and then reinstall the new cover that come with the kit. Got the new cover installed, guys. Everything looks good. Got that on, guys. We're going to reinstall the cover. As simple as that. It's installed. Tucked away nice and neat in the head. And all we got to do is put the cover back on. Alright, guys, we got the unit installed inside the trailer motor head. Used to be right here, and you had a chance of hitting it on something or knocking it against the boat or whatever. Now it's tucked away inside here, and got it ran down through the trailer motor wiring, and here's the main box right here. All tucked nice and neat. The wires are zip tied together. Got a good clean look, and it's going to be protected. And that was a simple install, and it's going to work out great. Alright, guys, that's going to do it for today's video and install of the ProNav Marine GPS mount for the Minn Kota power drive. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to be notified of my future videos. And we'll catch you out on the water, guys. Thanks for watching.